Hi, it's Melissa with Kerr County AC. Today I'm going to talk to you about our financing program that can help you get a new HVAC system with low monthly payments that can be spread out over 132 months with no prepayment penalties. For example, for a complete system replacement, right now you can have monthly payments as low as $130. Payments can be spread out over 132 months or paid off at any time with no prepayment penalties. So if you're concerned about the state of your current HVAC system and how it's going to handle the upcoming summer heat, but maybe you're not in a position to want to be out of pocket all of that cash at one time, this would be a perfect opportunity for you. This program makes it easy to get things done now. Between now and June 30th is the best time to take advantage of the Spring into Savings rebate program. With instant rebates up to $2,000, KPUB rebates, federal tax credits, there's never been a better time to upgrade your HVAC system. You can also save an additional 5% off your new system by joining our VIP program. Give us a call to schedule an estimate, and we can send you over a QR code that you can use to get pre-qualified for financing without any dings to your credit score. This process is simple, fast, and it can help you get closer to achieving your ultimate comfort goals. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great rest of your day.